Geometry review, beginning problem 42. We'll see how far we get. In the figure, the measure of angle 4 is 2x plus 5, and the measure of angle 1 is 3x plus 35. Find x. Well, angle 1 plus angle 4 make a linear pair. That means they add to 180 degrees. 2x plus 5 plus 3x plus 35 equal 180 degrees. 5x plus 40 equals 180 degrees. 5x equals 140 degrees. Divided by 5. Why am I doing this for you? I swore I wasn't going to do all that. Is 28 degrees, I think. Okay, 43. The measure of angle 1 is 3x. The measure of angle 3 is 5x minus 10. Find x. Well, angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical angles. That means they're congruent. Therefore, our equation is 3x equals 5x minus 10. Subtract 3x from each side, subtract 10 from each side. That gives us 2x equals 10, x equals 5. Angle 1 and angle 2 are what kinds of angles? They are a linear pair. They're also adjacent, they're also supplementary, but the best vocabulary is a linear pair. Okay, use this diagram for the next problems. Angle 4 and angle 2 are what kind of angles? They're on the same side of the transversal and they're in the same position. They are corresponding angles. Angle 7 and angle 9 are, well, let's see. They're on alternate sides of the transversal. They're in between these two lines. They are alternate interior angles. If angle 12 is congruent to angle 16, which two lines are parallel? Angle 12 is congruent to angle 16. Well, (12) and 10 are corresponding angles. 10 and 16 are vertical angles. So the two lines that have to be parallel are C and D. Now, if 6 is supplementary to 11, which two lines are parallel? Well, they're on the same side of a transversal. They're same side interior angles that are supplementary mean that A and B are parallel. Here we go. Use the following diagram for problems 49 through 54. The measure of angle 1 is 28 degrees, so the measure of angle 10 is, do we have any parallel lines? Do we know they're parallel? R is parallel to K, and S is parallel to T. Good, because otherwise we can't do these. Alright. Angle 1 is 28 degrees, so angle 10 is also 28 degrees because their alternate exterior angles are congruent. The measure of angle 12 is 115 degrees. 12 and 8 are corresponding angles, so the measure of angle 8 is 115 degrees because they're corresponding. The measure of angle 1 is 2x plus 10. The measure of angle 9 is 3x plus 15. What's x equal to? Well, I don't know that I'm doing this whole problem for you, but I will give you the equation. And the equation is (2x plus 10), can you see that? Plus 3x plus 15 equals 180 degrees. How do I know? Because 1 and 5 make a linear pair. 5 and 9 are corresponding angles. So my equation is true. This gives me, I think you need the light now. This gives me 5x plus 25 equals 180 degrees. Subtract 25 from each side. 5x is equal to 155. X is equal to 31 degrees. I think double check my arithmetic. 52. If the measure of angle 10 is 2x plus 10, which of course it would be, and the measure of angle 12 is 80 degrees, solve for x, 10 and 12 are corresponding angles. 2x plus 10 equals 80 degrees. 2x equals 70 degrees. X equals 35 degrees. If the measure of angle 3 is equal to 4x minus 6, and the measure of angle 7 is 130 degrees, then 4x minus 6 equals 50 degrees. 4x equals 56 degrees. X equals 14 degrees. There we go.